Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, privacy glass, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, FWD, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.